Sri Raghavendraya Namaha, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hi friends, welcome to Jyotish Research. I am Ashish Desai. Today we are going to talk about the strong moon personalities. If you have a strong moon in your horoscope, how will you behave? What will be your temperament? How will be your nature? How will be your personality? What influence will moon bring in your nature, in your temperament, in your personality? Today's video is all about this. So before that, you have to understand moon as a planet. Moon is not an independent planet. It is a upagraha of Earth who revolves around the Earth. Moon does not have its own light. It is not a self-illuminated star, which clearly gives an inference that Moon is dependent on other planets. It takes the nature of other planet it is conjoined with or it is aspected by. Moon takes the nature of the sign it is posited in. Suppose Moon is in the sign of Venus. It makes a person a lover of beauty, a lover of nature. He is romantic, he is sophisticated, he is creative, he is luxury loving person. So this in this way Moon modifies the nature of itself, modifies the nature of the person according to the sign it is posited in. So you take on the nature of that sign in which the moon is posited. You take on the nature of the planet with which the moon is conjoined. Suppose moon is aspected by Saturn in some horoscope, it will make you pessimistic, it will make you a sadistic person. Moon gives mood swings in such a case, so you have to check how the moon is influenced on your horoscope. If moon is pretty independent, it will give a very strong nature of its own self. Moon as a planet is a very nurturing planet. It is a nurturing planet. It nurtures all the life on the earth. It nurtures the plants. It nurtures the vanaspati. So in this way, moon is a very nurturing planet. So people having strong moon are very nurturing people. They will help you to grow. They will help you to progress in your life. They will be very caring towards people. They will be very protective of people. So in this way, moon is a very nurturing planet. It is the karaka of mother, through which you can understand how nurturing a moon can be. It is as nurturing as your mother is. So moon is a very nurturing planet. It is very sensitive planet. Moon can feel the energies in the surroundings. So if you have a strong moon, you can be someone who can feel the energies around you. You can feel the emotions around you. You can feel the vibrations in the surroundings around you. If somebody is thinking very negatively about you, you can feel a vibe about that. You can feel the uneasiness when you're around such people. You can feel the uneasy vibrations of the person. You may get repelled towards that person. So people with a strong moon can feel the surroundings around themselves. They can read the minds of people. There is a certain power to read the minds of people. There is a certain power to feel the vibrations, the energies in the surrounding around them. So people with a strong moon are very emotional because they can sense the energy, they can sense the vibrations around them. If they are watching a movie, they can actually feel the emotions in a certain movie, in a certain song. They can actually relate with that emotion. So people with a strong moon are very creative as well. They are very spontaneous. Moon is a very unreal planet. It represents Maya. It does not show reality or the truth. It will represent Maya or the mirage. Suppose you create a scene in your mind. You can be very creative in terms of imagination. You may have a vivid imagination. You can live in a world which is very flimsy, or you can say you can live in a world which is very imaginary. You may be very far away from the practical world. You may not be practical in your real life. People with a strong moon can be very impractical, can be very imaginary. They can live a life which is imaginary. So people with a strong moon are very creative people. They can create poetry, they can create uh, drama, they can create movies. They are very creative. They can be very easy, they can be very easygoing in terms of learning new things. If moon is strong in the horoscope, they have a very good receptive power. They can have a very receptive brain. So people with a strong moon can grasp the concepts very easily, can understand the concepts very easily, can understand any kind of subject very easily. So having a strong moon is a boon. Moon is called the root of the planetary system. So if the root is not strong, how will a tree grow strong? The planets are the branches. If the root itself is not strong, how will the branches grow strong? So this emphasizes the influence, the impact of moon, the power of moon in the horoscope. If moon is strong, the overall personality, the overall horoscope becomes strong. If moon is weak, the overall horoscope becomes weak. So in this way, you judge the personality of moon. If you have a strong moon, you can be very sensitive, you can be very nurturing, you can be very emotional, you can be very much caring person, you can be very creative. So all these things can be there in a person who has a very strong moon in the horoscope. So I hope you liked today's video, you got to learn something. If you have any doubts or queries, you can just post them in the comments. In the meanwhile, you can also answer if you have a strong moon in your horoscope. And one important thing, moon becomes strong in the signs which are watery signs, especially Pisces or Cancer. Moon is exalted in Taurus, which is why moon is strong in the sign of Venus. Moon is also good in Libra. Moon can be very good in Scorpio if it is aspected by benefic planets, even if it is debilitated. Moon needs Pakshabala. If the moon is strong in terms of Pakshabala, then you can consider it as strong. Those who have moon around the tithi of Purnima, so these people will have a very strong mind. They can actually achieve anything which they think in the mind. So when you say that you have a very powerful mind, you create success in the mind first, and in real life you can achieve it. So people with a strong moon are people who can achieve their objects through their efforts, through their determination. If they decide to have something, if they decide that they want to get a specific thing, they will start imagining in their mind. Their mind actually creates that object for them. Their mind actually creates that positive energy for them. Mind is a very strong force, and if you have a strong moon, you are very lucky. You can achieve anything in your life. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more such videos. Thank you very much. Shri Krishna Arpanastu.